Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today's video is going to be talking about our gray hair or white hair or salt and pepper hair, as well as some tips or pro tricks to help you if your hair is no longer as white as you like it, and what you can do at home if you have any form of yellowing to your gray hair. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl's channel. All right, so we are going to actually just show the shampoo phase. Right now we're working on the shampoo phase, and we're taking things slowly because I'm going back to the basics with you guys. So if you guys can tell, she is salt and pepper, where she is really more salt than pepper. Her hair is slightly dehydrated as well, which we will talk about during the shampoo phase. And she definitely needs a trim, but we're not going to be doing the trim on camera. We're not going to be finishing the style today. Today we are going to be talking about the shampoo process. And like I said, tips and tricks to help you guys at home to help your shampoo be successful. So I'm starting off by saturating the hair thoroughly with warm water, okay? Now I can clearly tell that definitely she is low porosity. Her hair is repelling the water. And one thing with low porosity hair is you do have to saturate a lot longer. And that is something that I always recommend you guys you do. Saturation is really key when you are doing your shampoo process, because the less you saturate, the more product you're going to use and the more concentrated that product is going to be, hence causing the hair to feel even drier than when you started before. So some of the products that I'm using on her today, we don't carry any longer, but I'm going to give you guys the alternative. So this product that I'm using right now is a violet-based shampoo. Most people who have issues with gray hair or salt and pepper hair is, how do I stop my hair from turning yellow? Or my hair is starting to turn yellow, what can I do? So the violet colored shampoo that I'm using right now is Pravana Perfect Blonde, which if you go to crystalsamazonstore.com, you'll have access to this violet colored shampoo. This is a color correction shampoo to help diminish that yellow tint that you will get on your salt and pepper hair. I also cocktailed it with our Moist Repair shampoo. This shampoo is going to be ideal for those of you who are low porosity, or even if you're salt and pepper and you have a medium to coarse textured head of hair. You can cocktail your violet colored shampoo with any one of the Elite Hair Care shampoos. The only one that I would not recommend cocktailing it with is the Mendit collection, because the Mendit has an orange tint and you don't want the two to interact with each other. Now let's talk a little bit about some more pro tips. If by chance you would allow your hair to get super yellow where it's almost uncorrectable with just shampoo, this is the time when I would recommend that you go into a salon and your stylist would be able to use a demi-permanent corrector, which is still a violet-based color, which violet in the hair color world is purple, you guys. So it is a violet-based color that she would be able to utilize to cancel out that yellow. So that does happen from time to time, you guys. Shampoo does not always get rid of the yellowing. Sometimes you need something a little bit stronger if you have too much yellow in the hair. Another pro tip that I would recommend outside of using your Elite Hair Care shampoos is to allow the violet colored shampoo to sit on the hair for a minimum of 2 to 5 minutes. The reason why I gave you a range of time is because not everyone's yellow is created equal. And sometimes when you're using these violet colored shampoos, they're super pigmented. So what it does for one, it might do different for the next. So that's another reason why I said to leave it on the hair for 2 to 5 minutes. And that also is going to help start that process of diminishing that yellow in the hair. Now, if you guys notice, as I'm rinsing her, her hair is starting to look slightly more pearly or pearlescent. That is exactly what the violet colored shampoo is for. I would not recommend doing the violet colored shampoo on your first wash. I would say to go ahead and do your treatment shampoo. So in her case, being low porosity, she'd be using our Moist Repair collection, which is the shampoo and the conditioner. And then after she does her clarifying shampoo, so I'll give you guys the steps. Clarifying shampoo first, which is the Elite Clarify. From there, she's going to go into her treatment shampoos, which is the moist repair. From there, she will then finish off her shampoo service by using the violet colored shampoo of choice. We will soon have one in Elite Hair Care as well, so you guys stay tuned for that. And when she puts on her violet colored shampoo, she's going to leave it on for a minimum of 2 to 5 minutes. Now, 5 minutes is pushing it, okay? So 5 minutes you can run into having more purple hair. So be very careful when you are doing that. Now, for her second shampoo, you guys saw me cocktail a little bit more of the violet colored shampoo along with our Amina shampoo from our Empress collection, which is no longer available. But what you can use in the interim is the Moist Repair shampoo. You can also use our B7 Beyond shampoo or even the Hair Repair shampoo. For those of you that are low porosity, Moist Repair is going to be your best bet. For those of you that are more on the high porosity side or the fine textured hair, salt and pepper, I would say the B7 Beyond or the Hair Repair and Restore collection. The good thing is right now we have our back to school sale going on. The back to school sale is 30% off site-wide, excluding bundle kits and tools. No code is actually needed, and also free shipping over $60. Today is August the 1st, you guys. This sale ends on August the 5th, 2023. So if you're watching this video later on down the road, just know, check back for another sale from us, or watch to the end of the video for a different coupon code that you can utilize for a first-time purchase. Now, once you have completed the shampoo phase, that does not mean that the work has stopped, because you can still get more tinting later on. And a lot of people say, you know, the shampoo sometimes leaves them dry when they are using those violet colored shampoos, which that is what we're working to fix at this moment as we are developing our own violet colored shampoo. Okay? So once you have finished the shampoo process, you're going to go ahead and condition. With conditioning, there also is violet colored conditioners that you can utilize to continue the process of helping to keep that hair nice and pearly or pearlescent. So Perfect Blonde also has a conditioner. Another company outside of Elite Hair Care products is Fanola No Yellow. They also have a really good line of violet colored shampoo and conditioner. But you can utilize whatever works for you, okay? Whatever works in your scenario and changes your hair game for your violets from those yellows. Now, are you going to have a phase where there will be no yellow ever again? No, because the yellowing actually comes just from the elements. It comes from the sun. It comes from products that you're using. It can come from almost anywhere, you guys. So there is no way for you to get away from it 100%. But as you guys can tell, looking at her hair, it is absolutely gorgeous. And today we're also going to be doing a protein treatment using our Repair RX protein system. Now, the good thing is our Repair RX, it has a slight tint to it, but it doesn't necessarily change the hair color, especially if you're using it correctly. A little goes a very long way. So this is what we're going to use to help with her shedding, which is what I was showing you guys at the beginning of the video. So now she's going to go under the dryer for 15 minutes with no processing cap. Once she comes out, we will rinse her thoroughly, and then we will go ahead and rehydrate the hair using either the Moist Me 24 Karat mask. You can use the B7 mask. You can even use the Mended mask, and that all can work in conjunction to help soften the hair. If you don't have any of the masks, you can also use the Moist Repair conditioner, and that'll also do the trick. So I hope you guys got some good tips from this video. And don't forget to visit our website at EliteHairCareUSA.com to shop any of our Elite Hair Care products that was mentioned in today's video. If you're new here, use this 30% off to save you a couple dollars.